everyone. So me and my husband went to Michael's a few days ago and he decided to pick up some things to organize my seeds a little better, considering I had stated that I ran out of room, and he noticed that I have little collections of seeds all over the house, so he wanted to organize them. So let's see what he got for me. Alright, so we saw this cool little doodad right here. This is just a little drawer organizer. Let's see, open it. Haven't even opened it yet. Waiting to do the video with you guys. Okay. So it says really useful box, literally on the package. So you get, obviously plastic, but you get this plastic little box that you can set everything in. So you just set them wherever you want, like this. And each one of these little boxes come out. And then they got the two little, it was kind of cool. You got the two little flappies, and it's just a little box. You can use these for just a various of anything, but he thought with my little containers of seeds like this that I keep around the house that I could just pop them in here, stick a label on it somewhere, and then that way they're more contained and he doesn't accidentally bump them, or if I do, or anything like that, and that way I have them all there. And for these seeds, these are just the seeds that we get from any produce that we get from the store, or anything that we grow at home. So most of those are from the store because we haven't gotten any actual food from home yet. So there's this one. I thought this was really cool. You can organize the colors or leave them in chaos. Okay, so let's see. This one is 16 box organizer. And boxes made with love from Britain. That's cute. They say that they are 0.14 liter boxes. So I'm assuming that all of these equal 0.14 liters. There's no real information on this. You can get them also at a website called reallyusefulproducts.com. So I'm assuming these have more little things. They do show the photo as like a desk organizer. So if you're not looking for seed organization, there's an idea for craft products. So there's that. Nothing super fancy about them. Okay, and then the other item we got here is another one of these. I currently have one already that I use for seeds. It is a photo album organizer. Let's take the sticker off. Oh, that was loud. Sorry, guys. Okay, let's see. Large photo and craft keeper. It is a 4x6 inch for photos, or it is 10.1 centimeters by 15.2 centimeters for those who need the conversion. There is 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 16 of them in total, so another 16 container. Ugh, sticky. So, if you haven't seen me do any videos on this before, this top latch is the latch, this bottom is just the handle. You just pop that open, try not to smack yourself in the face with it or let it go all over the place. The box is completely clear, and then you get colorful little boxes which have a little tab you can just flick open. If I can get this to sit over here. You just pop them open. And then you can put your photos, crafts, or little seeds in here. They are not 100% spill proof. I have found that out for small seeds, especially really tiny seeds. They will, if the packets push these open by any means, they will collect in the bottom of your tray here. So that's just something you have to be mindful. If you take these boxes out and you go out into your garden, that is also another thing you have to be mindful of, that the seeds can escape if you don't seal your packages. So, say for example, this one's not open, but say for example I opened this like this one. So if I opened it, now these are watermelon seeds, so I'm not too worried about them falling out, but if they were small seeds, I would have to tape this closed. So, excuse me. Something to keep in mind, these are pretty durable. I like them, they're pretty space saving. I can just slide them underneath most things or stack them off into a corner, so that's pretty cool. I don't want to make this super long, so that's pretty much all we got from Michaels, and I really enjoy the photo albums, and I can't wait to try the other ones to see how well they do, and I'll keep you updated on that when I have more time to use it. So thanks for watching. Hopefully this was helpful for you, and I will see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, any of those other options if you haven't already. Bye guys.